The highly gifted Chef Rodwin of Margao is one of the best bakers and confectioners in Goa. We had visited his bakery in September 2023 and were thrilled to discover his heritage Goan bakes. You can find that video linked above here. Rodwin is also a teacher who has mentored many catering students. Recently, Rodwin has been telling me about a new recipe book he has launched with a strong emphasis on millet-based healthy Goan bakes. He also told me about some new dishes like shepherd's pie he is offering at his bakery and confectionery in Margao. So here we pour our in Margao's old market to revisit Rodwin. Chef Rodwin's bakery is around the corner from the court and you can park in Old Market.
Is anything here vegetarian? Vegetarian here was spinach and mushroom pouch. Okay. And a bagel can I have with the edge? Yeah. With what? Cream cheese? Cream cheese bagel? Yeah. You can put some tomato, lettuce, something in it. Like a sandwich. I'll have a bagel. Yes. We had a menu prayer. Chef had made the sur poee prayer with keema. One was there. The other one was plain bagel with cocktail chicken. And other one was veg, I think, the humus. Oh, then we'll have that only, whatever he's made. Okay? Yeah, of course, of course. Is that a mango flavored pizza? Smart. It's a mango cheesecake. Haan, good. We'll have that later. What are you having? I'm having a watermelon cooler. Oh, shit. What are you having, Aroma? I don't know. Mango milkshake, I'll try. Mango milkshake. So we take one watermelon peanut sauce, one banana and date milkshake, and one mango milkshake. Thank you.
Though Chef Rodwin has prepared a menu for us, we want to show you the menu and day specials on the board. Upstairs, Jaya is excited by a very cute birthday cake being prepared. It's lovely to be back in Rodwin's cafe. Here is the printed menu. And here's a look at Rodwin's new cookbook, which has a strong basis on healthy Goan bakes. The Goan bakery culture is a legacy of Portuguese influence adapted to local tastes and techniques. Despite modern changes, the love for traditional Goan bread remains strong, with many bakeries still producing authentic pao and other varieties using time-honored methods. Here's a glimpse of the kind of recipes you'll find. Multigrain poee, excellent. Whole wheat poee, so much better than maida poee. Whole wheat and ragi bread. Ragi is an ancestral millet of Goa. Dairy-free and gluten-free date and walnut muffin. Healthy millet, milk and coconut pudding. Here's an heirloom recipe. Bowl Angelina with toddy. Wow, whole wheat sourdough bread. There are many more recipes besides these. While we wait for our drinks, it's such a pleasure to watch goodies being made. It is one of the best things about visiting bakeries. Here, Serradura is getting the traditional sawdust topping. These chocolate cakes are ready to be stacked and iced. Yum! And this cocoa pod and beans is fascinating. As we know, Rodwin makes his own bean to bar chocolate. And indeed, the first thing they treated us to was a chocolate drink made from those beans.
What is this?
This is the composition diagram of the cocoa beans.
Cocoa beans. Oh wow! And this is?
It is honey.
He brought the cacao beans to show us.
Chocolate with cinnamon, we prepare this cinnamon and pink salt.
Fantastic.
This is the beans that you get. These are about 3
Cocoa
months.
beans.
These are 3 months. This is about 6 months. Just to come to this, and then we put it in the machine and churn it. We will heat treatment for 3 hours.
Wow.
But you remove the cocoa butter. We don't use margarine.
3.5 days it churns.
Yes, turning continuously.
Okay.
3.5 days, and then we produce and we get chocolate.
Let's try the chocolate drink. Never seen anything like it. It's like a light chocolate tea.
Very interesting. Chocolate infused drink. Thank you.
This is added in case usually people add ginger, honey, a little.
They like the cinnamon chocolate.
I never understood. I don't know how to explain. They haven't it's strong.
Oh, like intensely chocolate flavor.
Wow, this chocolate is awesome.
I was just playing mind games with me. It looks like a tea, but it tastes like chocolate milk.
And here, Chef Rodwin.
Hi.
Hi, Chef.
This is a decoction what we have Sourdough. It is made from these shells of the cacao. It is roasted first and then it is put in a winnowing machine where it separates the leaves from the shells. And the shells, because they are rich in antioxidant, they make up a healthy drink, a beverage.
So what we had is a healthy drink.
So I hope you will enjoy it.
It has a lovely flavors. Something I never had before. Thank you. What are we having next? We went to order, but they told us that you have some things in mind. So we didn't.
Yes. No order. We have. We will be serving you all healthy poees,
Oh, lovely.
shepherd's pie, and healthy poees. And to end your meal, we have developed a very good recipe of Chocolava cake, which is made from our bean to bath topping.
Will you have one vegetarian thing for herbs?
One vegetarian thing. One vegetarian. Yes, we can get. We will have a nice sourdough
Oh, wow.
with avocado and jalapeno.
Oh, lovely. That sounds wonderful.
Excellent. Anything else?
No, we are in your hands, Chef. We trust you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are going to enjoy our drinks now and wait for Rodwin's food magic to unfold.
There.
Which? Would you like to have something?
Yes, the watermelon.
What do you say?
Maria's watermelon cooler.
Very nice. Go ahead.
Check out Roma's thick mango milkshake. And what a huge glass. This is my banana date milkshake.
Yes.
Tried out Roma's mango milkshake too and it was too good.
Hey, our colors will look nice today.
Ketchup and mustard.
I try not to think of that.
Ah, what have we here?
This is vegetarian.
Yes.
Jaya's poee is stuffed with hummus. And these are our lovely stuffed cafreal toasted poees.
What's a fucking cafreal?
This is cafreal steak. This is a cafreal steak. Hummus with veggies. Okay. Then I will give you a poee made from sour with cream on top.
And this is whole wheat poee?
This is 5-grain poee.
Oh wow, multi-grain poee.
It's a multigrain poee.
Thank you.
Jaya's loving the multigrain poee with hummus.
Very good.
Now our turn to try the cafreal steak multigrain poees. Roma loves it.
Very nice.
Wow, that is delicious poee and cafreal.
All three of you are eating the same thing? Cafreal.
Cafreal steak. The Culinary is there. You want to the bread. Plus this chicken and
Well, that was an excellent first course.
give it to me 1 second. Give it to me. Show me.
What is so funny in this?
And I made poo every day.
I wrapped my bun for dinner. What is so funny?
You're putting
Just ask
who puts chicken carpet in the pocket?
I do. Would you sort it? Wow, it looks thank you so much.
Avocado and sourdough.
Amazing.
Wow. Shepherd's pie. My boss.
Can I eat it?
This is the most elegant shepherd's pie I ever saw.
I'm gonna eat messily.
Jaya's trying her avocado on sourdough.
Super. Of the sourdough bread. So.
First taste of shepherd's pie.
Very nice.
This is the avocado on sourdough.
They gave us also some sourdough toast to try.
Let's taste it, huh? Roma, have a taste? She loved the sourdough bread.
We are working like in India and in whole Goa about the sourdough. Sourdough is made as if it is a rich man's food.
Yes.
It's not a
It's very
food.
expensive.
It's not a rich man's food. It's a needed food for our people who suffer from various health issues. A person suffering from uric acid is not allowed to eat commercially yeast-made products. This is the best for him. How they can afford? So we price this sourdough at 120 rupees, ma'am. Whole wheat sourdough, whole wheat.
Fantastic. Great news. You guys heard that? You don't need to go to expensive German bakeries in Goa now. You can come to Chef Rodwin's in Margao and get healthy sourdough for just rupees 120.
One of the best, I assure you. It's the natural culture from the environment is captured into the bread. You see?
We believe you. We have full faith in your Rodwin. Thank you.
And I'm raising a campaign in the whole Goa.
Yeah.
People, I don't know how it will happen to reach out to as many as people to teach them to eat healthy breads. We prepare one of the best gluten-free bread. We sell it at only for 180 rupees. Power-packed greens I'm using in my gluten-free bread without any chemicals, man. To enhance the rice, to enhance the softness. It's just on its own.
So now you know where to come in Margao for the healthiest of breads. You can also learn how to make these breads at Rodwin's.
We have opened up an institute also.
Oh, okay.
Chef Rodwin is an academy also.
Oh, wow. They're learning bread making. Everything. Great. People can come here to learn. They tell people to contact you who want to learn culinary arts. How did you like the shepherd's pie, Roma?
Very good.
Faria Anglos. So, shepherd's pie is our heritage cuisine.
Yeah.
So, we are very excited. Yeah, my mother makes.
The sauce is a stock.
Yeah, it's a stuff.
Is a prepared from chicken nicely. Try it, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fry it.
Of course. Good taste, huh? She likes avocado and all.
But they are into foods. Mama, you can have this. This is spicy. Spicy? Ah, deliver this jalapeno. Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
I call this correct. He keeps saying jalapeno. Why only spicy?
Used to say Christmas or Kishmul. Christmas. The quantity of the shepherd's pie is very good. I was scared that I will finish it, but this looks really good.
This is not puppy.
Coffee take. Anglos love gravy and shepherd's pie. So beautifully constructed, no? Wow, chef. You're asking very modestly, but this is a work of art. Sorry, mummy, is better than you are what you make. Wow. When my mother comes to go, I'll bring her here. Easy. I like that caramelized at the bottom.
Soup poee the kima. After you finish this, we'll serve.
I don't think you want it.
Wait, no, you can taste it. Just taste and see what you feel. Very nice. I like that tip of jalapeno. See, that's the way you leave the plate when you had something really delicious. Pasta I enjoyed it so much. And knowing Chef Rodwin, the dessert will be heavenly.
I can't eat anything, no, I'm very sorry, guys.
We just want you to taste the keema and give your expert opinion as a celebrity gourmand of South Goa. We are ready for the next course. Lovely. He said the soup poee is the olden days poee.
Yes. Adding toddy, but we have little modified it by making it. It was only wheat flour, whole wheat flour, and then toddy. But we have little bit modified it by using 5 grains.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Multigrain.
Toddy poee.
Where do you get your toddy from?
In Seraulim.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, in Seraulim, we have a nice toddy depot.
Roma wanted to know more about Chef Rodwin's cooking course after tasting his food.
Yeah, it's a very, very intense program. Intense means once you join, in 1 month you will be a professor. We assure you that. One of the students who's working there, then with just one big program as created, she knows how to do cakes, cake decoration, fondant, figurines, fondant decoration, buttercream decoration. You are just elevated in a week. You can just start taking orders. So that is that intense program.
Roma, you interested?
It's a half-day program.
So what's the cost of the program?
The cost of 60,000.
60,000. What time to what time?
8 to 12:30.
But it takes everything.
Full bakery. From the breads to croissants to viennoiseries to cakes to pastries to classical French pastry. This is very few are doing classical French pastry which is made with butter. That is accurate. It's macarons. You will be making one of the best macarons. Then I'll keep you for 1 month here for training. One, elevate you, and they can.
Yeah, you can do your own business, Roma. Yes. I know it.
Do you like pastry? The direction.
Ma'am, I'm conducting this program, no? I want to see many Rodwins coming up.
What is more satisfying for you, cooking or teaching?
Ma'am, teaching.
Oh, wow.
That's why I have opened up my academy and I'm only failing to expand it. That's it.
Fantastic. Sourdough. Old style Goan toddy poee, but with new style multigrains and stuck with mints. It's just 1/4 Roma. You can have 1/4. Or you like a poee? The poee, right? Something different from what you normally have?
Very soft.
The softness comes from the fermentation of the toddy.
Very nice. It's like mints. It is like big sounds of filling, but nice. The bread is tasty. You can make up with citron from the area.
Very different. And now for the crowning glory, the Chocolava cake.
Oh wow, Chocolava.
Fantastic. My gosh. Check out that chocolate lava oozing out. Here's another peek at that amazing lava.
Then you did sugar high from this. But you become like almost really children. You become hyper after eating. Yeah. Don't worry, auntie. I'm big enough to look after myself. Sugar rush. Sugar rush. One of the best ramen.
Like you. I'm yet to taste. But looking at their faces, I'm very excited.
Yeah. Fantastic. Best. Is there something new? Fantastic.
It all depends on the chocolate body.
I won't be able to have it all because I'm diabetic. Banana.
You made it, you have it. It's made it in chocolate.
Dark chocolate. It's normal chocolate will be calorie. This
That's all I can have, but what a perfectly sweet ending. Chef Rodwin did not charge us for the food as he had selected specific dishes for us to taste. So we only paid for our drinks.
watermelon pula or mango milkshake and a banana and rich milkshake, right?
680.
680.
Thanks Chef Rodwin for a great meal and most important for introducing less costly healthy breads and poees in Goa.